When you're in a meeting, Fireflies gives you real-time assistance as the conversation happens. Live notes, answers, suggestions, and coaching. In this video, we'll walk through how to access and use Fireflies live during your meetings, whether you're on the desktop app, the web app, or mobile. How you access the live panel depends on how you're using Fireflies. If you're on the desktop app, Fireflies detects your meeting automatically and sends a notification. Just click Invite Note Taker or Record, and the Live Assist panel opens on your screen. If you're joining from the web app, mobile, or directly from your meeting platform, Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, or any supported platform, just invite the Fireflies Note Taker to your call. It will post a link in the meeting chat. Click that link to open the Live Assist panel. You can also open it from a notification on the Fireflies web app while the meeting is live. One thing to note, on desktop, you have the option to record using device audio without the bot. Sales Assist and a few other features require the note-taker bot to be in the call, regardless of platform. Once you're in, you'll see the Live Assist panel. At the top are 3 tabs: Live Assist, AskFred, and Notes, plus a 3-dot menu on the right. On the Live Assist tab, General Assist gives you 4 quick actions: suggest questions, catch up, last 1 minute, summarize so far, and action items. On the right, Transcript shows everything in real time with speaker labels and timestamps. AI Notes captures key points automatically. Prep shows any context prepared in advance. On desktop, you can move the panel anywhere on screen, collapse it to the recording timer, and it stays hidden when you share your screen. Beyond the quick actions, you also have AskFred available right inside the panel. Click Ask Fred to open the live assistant. Ask anything about the current meeting, what's been discussed, suggested follow-up questions, or a quick catch-up on the last minute. You can also ask about past meetings, your knowledge base, or the web right from the same panel. To run a specific AI skill mid-meeting, type / and select from the list. If you're in a customer-facing role, sales, solutions, support, Fireflies has a dedicated mode built for you. It's called Sales Assist, and it gives you live, real-time suggestions pulled directly from your company knowledge base, right as the conversation is happening.
How many languages do you support? It detects the question and then it gave the answer. 160 languages is supported.
Here's how to set it up before your next call. Open your Fireflies dashboard, go to Settings, and open the Knowledge Base tab. This is where Sales Assist gets its intelligence from: your product information, FAQs, help articles, or internal playbooks. By default, you'll see a sales template knowledge base already created for you. Click Upload File and add your sales materials. Sales Assist supports PDFs, docs, Excel, and HTML files. You can also paste a website link and Fireflies will crawl it automatically, making it useful for help centers, support pages, or feature documentation. Once uploaded, click Save. Your files will be listed under the active knowledge base. If you need more than one, click Create New, give it a name, and upload your files or URLs. You can maintain multiple knowledge bases. For example, one for product demos and another for enterprise FAQs. Once your knowledge base is ready, go back to your Live Assist panel. Look at the drop-down in the top left corner. By default, it opens in General Assist mode. Select Sales Assist. If you have multiple knowledge bases, click Edit beside the knowledge base field, select the one you want, and hit Save. As your customer or prospect asks a question, Sales Assist instantly analyzes what was said, searches your uploaded content, and surfaces the most relevant answer right there in the panel. If an answer isn't found, you'll be prompted to try Ask Fred instead, where you can search across past meetings or the web. You'll also get real-time nudges if you've been speaking too long, too fast, or too slow. When the call ends, Fireflies processes everything automatically. Your summary streams in and is ready to review, share, or send. That's how you use Fireflies live, on desktop, web, or mobile. Upload your materials, start a meeting, and let Fireflies handle the rest.